Meaning of Dravidian.
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 Dravidian. Dravidian refers to a group of languages spoken in southern India, as well as the people who speak these languages. The Dravidian languages, which include Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, and Malayalam, are distinct from the Indo-European languages spoken in other parts of India. The origin of the Dravidian people and their languages is a topic of ongoing research and debate among scholars. Dravidian culture has a rich history, with important contributions to literature, art, and music. Today, Dravidian-speaking communities continue to play an important role in the social, cultural, and political life of southern India.